today's vlog. It's currently 8 a.m. and today we will be taking you with us through a day in the live video. We're first going to start by making horrible hotel coffee. So before we hit the gym, let's make a horrible instant coffee. So the plan for today is we kind of booked this 3-day mini holiday, not knowing that today, the 15th August, is also a public holiday here in Munich. So we kind of screwed, but that the shops will not be open. However, we'll figure stuff out as we always do. So this vlog is mostly going to be like coffee touring in Munich. So yeah, no, but jokes aside, we're just going to hit a gym session, and then we'll probably find something for breakfast and another coffee shop. So we'll see. We'll take you with us. Guys, we just finished up the coffee number 1. It's a good coffee shop. If you're in Munich, definitely check it out. Good for V60, even though we didn't have V60, but they know their shit, so I'm assuming that they're good for V60. We bought a few bags from them, and the spot is named Café Bla. I think it's Café Bla. Good spots for food, like desserts and stuff, and coffee. Really good. And now we're heading to coffee spot number 2. Yeah, let's go. So we're here in Hans im Glück. We're in the forest. Did you order burgers?
Burgers. Pork.
Second stop.
Number 4.
Right, so guys, we are at the Kempinski in Munich. This is the indoor cigar lounge. It is by far one of my favorite places in Munich. It's like I get to chill here, have a conversation, like we were having a conversation with Rayon about business and stuff. So really inspiring also to be here, because you're surrounded by like high level network individuals, and it is really cool place. It's very relaxing, well vented, so it's not like there's barely any smell of cigars, and it's just a good place to be. So just wrapping up, smoking my Partagas Series 4, I guess, yeah. Really nice cigar. And yeah, this wraps up a few days here in Munich. I mean, it's just we've been coming here daily. It's a very nice place. We've also been hitting up some good coffee shops, good restaurants, and overall chilling, like catching up a bit, and just having a good time. So yeah guys, we'll continue this vlog when we finish from here. I'll see you soon. You buy the basic ones first. this is the next day of the day in the live vlog. Wesley was supposed to leave at 4 a.m. for his flight
My
at
alarm
6.
didn't go off at 3:30 like it's supposed to.
And his flight just took off right now. And guess where Wesley still is? In a hotel. So
it's not a bad place to be.